A client's emotional control is one of the most important things in any trial. If the client is involved in a crime of violence, the jury is looking to see if they get angry at any point in anybody's testimony. So what we do before every trial is prepare the client for everything that's going to happen during the trial so that the client knows and understands how to be emotionally ready for that moment. You are going to hear at a certain point in that trial when the alleged victim testifies some of the most horrific, horrible things said about you, whether they're violence or theft or whatever they may be. You have to be ready for that moment. You have to know in advance what that's going to feel like, because if you're not ready, you're going to react in a negative way. I've seen situations before where an alleged victim is testifying and a defendant literally stands up in court and says, "I didn't do it." And although that may feel good, it sends the worst possible message to the jury that you can't control your emotions, and it's likely you did what you're accused of. One of the ways that we practice getting a client ready for the emotional moments in a trial is to practice their testimony and practice the testimony of other witnesses prior to the trial. While I'm preparing a client for the trial, I'll have a client come in on a Saturday, and we will sit and practice and go over the testimony not only of the client but of the alleged victim. So when we're practicing the testimony of an alleged victim, I'll have another lawyer from the office come in, play the role of the prosecutor, I'll be the defense attorney, and I'll have the client sit there, and someone will testify exactly like the alleged victim is going to testify, so that the client gets used to hearing a prosecutor ask those questions and is practicing sitting with me so that they're ready for it when it happens.